Not good. It's a diesel car. You need this Brake Cleaner Pro. Pro is important. Best product. Yeah. Oh no! Special tool, Matador. We call it a super construction. Oh yeah! Oh, you dirty boy! Only with power tools, like Americans do it. Oh yeah, looks very not good. Look at this and look here. Oh, look here. Something really bad. Oh no, very much coal. Also the glow plugs. Completely burnt off. Finally. Look at this mess. The injector burnt off the glow plugs. Now take a look. High V's. Best product. Oh no! Look at this mess. It's oily. Not good, eh? Now we take a picture. Wow. Now we send this to a best mechanic in Indonesia. After 1 week. New glow plugs. Wow. Oh yeah. Important. Genius mechanic. Shiny. How long do you think will this engine last? 60. Ja. Stopfen. This craft automotive engines in big oil. Fill it well. The engine will send you a love letter. Important. Important to refill with old engine oil. Free energy.